दादा आ जाओ दादा. The first question is to Dada.
Can we have Nandu from Eros, please, to join?
We have to speak.
Okay. So आप भाइयों से दरख्वास्त है कि एक बार ये शुरू हो जाए, उसके बाद खत्म होने के बाद आप सब फोटोज ले लेना. Okay. So let's have any questions. Anybody want to ask? We have Dada who's going to answer all the questions. Dada. हाँ फर्स्ट दादा पूछेंगे, फिर साजिद फरहाद के बारे में.
पहली बार जब मिला था इन लोगों को, मैं भाई कुछ गाना सुनाने को आया था फिल्म सिटी के अंदर. मैं कोई टीवी प्रोग्राम करता मिसिंग का. रात को कुछ 11:30-12 बजे थे. कोई बारिश का सीन था. एक प्लास्टिक का कुछ हाथ में डब्बा था उसके, और दोनों जन गाना गा के सुना रहे थे मेरे को. कौन सा गाना था बड़ू?
कान के नीचे बजा डालूंगा.
ये गाना सुना है, मतलब बहुत भारी है बड़ू. तुम लोग निकल जाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी निकलने वाला है. तो मेरा मुंह देख रहा है, बोले काम बम देने रहे, बोले निकल जाएंगे, यहाँ से निकल जाओगे. तो बस माशाल्लाह तुम लोगों ने वो बोला था, वो रात थी, वो बहुत साल हो गए.
दादा आपकी मीटिंग भी एक गाने पे ही हुई थी.
नहीं, ये फोटो लेके आया था मेरे घर पे.
नहीं, मैं गाना गाया था.
कौन सा बड़ू?
टाइगर बर्निंग ब्राइट इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ द नाइट.
ये आया था मेरे पास, फोटो लेके आया था मेरा. जयेश सेठ यूज्ड टू डू सम फोटो शूट्स देन. आई मीन ही स्टिल डज इट. बाबा यूज्ड टू बी देयर. एंड एक दिन मेरे घर पे भाई अब मेरे फोटो लेके आया था दिखाने के लिए कि ये आपका फोटो. और आज बाबा आज मेरे को दे रहे गोली.
अरे गोली नहीं दे रहे दादा. ओके, एनीबॉडी हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस?
हाय, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन. बहुत बेहतरीन ट्रेलर है, ताबड़तोड़ मजा आया बहुत. आपके राइट में
ये माइक पहले आते ले लेता या घर से लेके आता माइक?
सर सवाल मेरा इस टीम से जुड़ने वाले अभिषेक से है कि अभिषेक, इस पूरे ट्रुप से जुड़ना और इस फ्रेंचाइजी का हिस्सा बनना कैसा रहा और कितना फन आया ओवरऑल, क्योंकि रैप करते हुए भी दिखे आप हमें.
रैप तो मुझे पड़ी.
10 सवाल पूछे आपने. आलोक, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस क्योंकि when Sajid Farhad, I'd first worked with them in Bol Bachchan, and they came and said that they wanted to do this, and then Nadiad came and spoke to me. I was nervous because first time मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि मैं एक और franchise करता हूँ जिसका नाम है धूम. And I realize now whenever anybody who joins Dhoom gets very nervous. And they're all like, oh no, we have to live up to the expectations. मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि why are they getting so nervous? It's a, it's a fun film. But when I signed on for Houseful, I realized what the expectations are. And it's nerve-wracking, you're going to be shoulder to shoulder, two of possibly our best comedic talents that we have in the industry. And you're working on a franchise which is so immensely successful, and you don't want to let them down. You don't want to let down the fans of Houseful. And so it's nervous, you get very nervous, but we all worked very hard. Greatly helped, obviously, because Sajid Farhad, their writing is so beautiful that you have to do very little. They even write in meter. They tell you how to tell your dialogue. Then, like I said, you have Aki Bhaiya and Ritesh, who are so brilliant at what they do. They make you look good. To add to it, you have somebody like Mr. Irani, who's my acting coach, and used to sit every night in my room and rehearse with me. And then when you have these three in the frame, nobody's going to be looking at you, so you're happy. So it was great. And then to top it all off, when Jagu Dada comes, everybody knows that nobody's going to be looking at these three either. So that's the best. So and I think Nadia does a fantastic job of packaging a film. It looks great. It was a lot of fun. And I think the most important thing about this film is to have great chemistry. So the leader of the pack, obviously, standing right there.
Kishore Lulla sahab.
So it was a lot of fun, but for me personally, because I was the new one, it was hard work and nerve-wracking, but I had a lot of fun doing it.
एंड अक्षय सर, तीसरी बार मतलब हैट्रिक हो जाएगी एक तरीके से हाउसफुल 3. तो नए डायरेक्टर्स थे इस फिल्म से जुड़े हुए आप, क्योंकि आपने इनके साथ पहले भी काम किया है.
हाँ, हैट्रिक हो जाएगी मतलब अभी तो पता चलेगा. अब भगवान करे आपके मुंह में डायबिटीज. इतना सारा घी. जी बिल्कुल अच्छा लगेगा कि लोगों को अगर ये हमारी जो तीसरी कोशिश है हाउसफुल की, ताकि क्या बढ़ावा मिलता है, आदमी चौथी जाता है, पांचवी जाता है, कोशिश करता है। बच्चों, मैं इसलिए कह रहा था बच्चों को मत ला।
दे आर द ऑडियंस।
नहीं हम लोगों ने
हाँ
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑडियंस
ये ऑडियंस है।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी पिक्चर थोड़ी दिखा रहे हैं। So we'll be looking forward for it, that how the business is, and we cross our fingers that everything goes well.
साजिद सर, साजिद नाडियाडवाला से मेरा सवाल है कि ये 100 जगहों पे, 100 छोटे छोटे प्रदेशों में या जगहों पे ये दिखाया जा रहा है ट्रेलर, ये किसका कॉन्सेप्ट था और किस तरीके से?
ये मार्केटिंग टीम है, इरोस की और एनजी की, दोनों ने मिलके बहुत अच्छा काम किया।
Hi Akshay, over here, straight. How does it feel being back to comedy after so long? You have done so many serious films at a trot.
Well, I feel relieved. I'm actually, one year has gone where I've been very tensed about films like Airlift, and before that, Holiday and Baby, and so all these films, I've actually felt very relieved, and I feel like मतलब मैं इतना भी हो जाता था कि मैं साजिद फरहाद की बात भी नहीं सुनता था. I just wanted to do something, and but obviously I used to give one take what he wanted and one take what I wanted. So and so it was a lot of fun, because Houseful is like that. I would say they all have done what they wanted, and things have just come out. Everybody was allowed to do 2 takes, one what they wanted, one what we wanted, and everything. It has been sorry, Dada. So it's been a lot of fun.
And will there be many more housefuls to follow after this? Will there be many more housefuls to follow?
I don't know. After he gets a lot of sugar in his mouth, so after that maybe we can.
Thank you.
मामा मियाँ मैंने एक ही टेक किया हमेशा।
Because you are a good actor.
थैंक यू।
He's a joking.
How are you able to manage actually, because there are lots of other your other colleagues also who really want to do more films actually in a year. So how are you really able to manage all these things actually?
Well, it's not a rocket science. It's very easy. You just keep on working, and you. एक फिल्म मुझे नहीं लगता 60 दिन से ज़्यादा लेनी चाहिए. I think I shot for Houseful for मेरे कितने दिन हुए? 38 days. I finished 38. In 38 days, I finished Houseful. So it's basically everybody comes on time. Everybody, we work hard. We worked for. I have worked for 8 hours. They have worked for 10 hours because my contract is like that. So Ritesh is very upset about this.
I'm going to ape your contract next film.
Okay, so and it was very fast, and we because actually देखा जाए so मैं पढ़ रहा था इसके बारे में कि कौन सी फिल्म थी वो Mission Impossible. They made the whole film in 52 days. तो हम पता नहीं कौन सी बातें करते हैं 300 दिन 400 दिन की. फिल्में जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है 40-50 दिन के अंदर, 60 दिन के अंदर, मैक्सिमम 70 दिन लगा लो. क्या बच्चों की जान लोगे उसके बाद? कितनी शूटिंग करोगे
क्योंकि
इंसान?
शाहरुख ने भी कहा था कि he'll try to do like at least 2 to 3 films in a year. Even Aamir like.
नहीं
they
नहीं,
all were
मेरी
planning
बात है,
actually.
मेरा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है.
No, I'm just saying like.
So, हम मेरे तक ही
your
रखेंगे.
colleague actually. और you are one of the person who is very constant. आप एक बहुत अपने pace पे चलते हो, doing like 4 films, good for the audience, your fans, for your producers. What have you to say about this also? Actually?
So I want to make sure my producer
Ask
earns
him if he's
money.
happy about the fact that you're doing 4 films or not, because he doesn't sound very happy.
Sorry.
No, I'm really
सवाल पे
happy.
सवाल
I'm really
पूछे,
happy.
4 फिल्म क्यों करते हो आप? ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं
गलत
करना-
बात है.
नहीं
भैया पहले ये क्लैरिफाई कर दे तू.
नहीं Abhishek. How are you feeling?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
But why do you do 4 films a year? It's very wrong. ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. गलत बात है कि भैया ऐसे नहीं.
मेरा डायरेक्टर से मेरा सवाल था.
डायरेक्टर्स 2 हैं.
डायरेक्टर से मेरा सवाल था, ये इतना बड़ा स्टार कास्ट और लिखा भी आप लोगों ने है, तो कैची चलाते वक्त कितनी घबराहट थी? क्योंकि सारे स्टार्स हैं, सबके डायलॉग्स लिखना और फिर काटना.
मेरे ख्याल से आपने अपना जवाब दिया. इतने स्टार्स है, कैंची कैसे चल सकती है?
कैंची नहीं चल सकती है, स्टार्स ब्राइट है और उसको शाइन करना, उसको रखना बरकरार रखता है, उसको उसके लिए कैंची की जरूरत नहीं
लेकिन
पड़ती।
ढाई घंटे की फिल्म को करने के लिए, समेटने के लिए कितना
नहीं, आप जो स्क्रिप्ट तैयार होती है उस हिसाब से ही फिल्म होती है, और स्क्रिप्ट पहले से 2.5 घंटे की थी, 2.5 घंटे की शूट हुई, एडिट करने का सवाल ही नहीं आता, बिकॉज हर फ्रेम में, हर सीन में जो चाहिए था वो मिला और सबको पता था।
हम लोग वेरी केयरफुली वी हैड केप्ट द एडिटिंग रूम एट अक्षय कुमार हाउस ओनली, तो कोई गलती नहीं हो, कुछ किसी से कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं हो,
क्योंकि कैची इन लोगों के हाथ में है ही नहीं।
No. He does nothing like that. Poor chap. No. Not at all. No, the great thing about Sajid Farhad being writers as well is actually when the film they narrate to you the first time is the film that you end up seeing. They narrate with edit cuts and everything. So because they're so good at what they do, their editing is already done, and the film has not. I mean, whatever I've seen of the film, it's exactly what they narrated. So and he doesn't. In fact, ये बढ़ाते हैं. 8 घंटे के बाद ये तो भागना चाहते हैं. They नहीं शॉट उसको दे दो, उसको करने दो, ये डायलॉग उसको दे दो. He doesn't do anything like that. He's just got a bad reputation.
नहीं, ये उन्होंने दिया है.
Hi Sajid. Hello. Hi Sajid. Nadyad Bala. Yeah, my question is to you. क्या reason है कि एक साजिद इस बारी absent है third part में से, साजिद खान?
He didn't want to. He was for the third. He was doing Himmat Wala, and he thought this is a very difficult genre to write. Also, after some time, even they'll say we don't want to, because the genre gets saturated in writing after some time. Very difficult to edit. Very difficult to make a trailer for this film. So usually a writer, after 1-2 films, starts getting in a saturation mode.
इसका ट्रेलर बनाने के करीबन मेरी शूटिंग डेज है 38 डेज का, ट्रेलर बनाने में 40 दिन गए. Because they couldn't understand it, how to get the whole thing. कि 2.5 मिनट के अंदर इस सारा कुछ दिखाना, उसकी स्टोरी लाइन बतानी, क्या क्या करना है, to get it in the one thing, it was quite difficult for them. Because I remember कितनी बार इन्होंने दिखाया and nothing was working out. बताया ना आपको, दो टेक किए ना, एक हमारे टेक, उनका टेक,
फिर हमने घुटने टेक दिए.
Sir, I want to congratulate you, sir, for making a fantastic film. This, but I would like to know, sir, Mr. Akshay said.
बैठ जा.
No problem.
Mr.
Akshay said that he has taken 38 days to complete his shooting. So how long you have taken to complete this movie, sir?
Sorry, how long have I taken?
65 days.
65 days.
65 days. And how long you have taken for your planning, sir? When you have completed this film in 65 days, so how many days you have taken the planning that so and so day I will go to complete?
अब जाके
ऐसा था कि इन्होंने कहा था कि ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये नहीं कहा था मैथ्स का एग्जाम देना यहाँ.
Acha sir, tell me something about the heroine. Why they are so quiet? Why they are not saying anything?
Let me avoid them anything.
Because you have not asked them a question, sir.
Hey heroines, say something.
Hi.
Hi. Jackie? We so.
कोई तो पूछो.
Jackie.
भाई चाहिए मेरी ले लो.
Hi Nargis and Lisa. My question is to both of you.
We have a question.
You guys also are working for the first time in the Houseful franchisee. How was your experience of working with all of them?
Nargis, go first.
I had a blast. This has been, I shouldn't say this because I feel bad for this has been the funniest and the maddest and the coolest film I've ever worked on. Yay! So, yeah. And with the coolest people, funniest people, coolest people, warmest people. So, thanks guys for having me. What about comedy? It was fun, a lot of fun. Yeah.
What about comedy?
Comedy is great, and I had a great time doing comedy with these comedic guys.
Yeah, I had a great time doing it too. These girls are the coolest girls ever, and we actually had a lot of fun hanging out and cracking jokes. And I don't think I had to do abs for like a month because we would just be laughing so hard. That's true. What are you looking at? Yeah, and the guys are fun too, of course. But Sajid and Farhad are actually. I wanted to add when Abhishek was talking about how talented they are. When I went for the narration, they narrated the entire film from the beginning to the end, and they played every single character. I was amazed. They were like, "Oh," and then here comes Teddy. Yeah. So they're
and laugh trap also.
And music. All music.
My question is also to Abhishek and Ritesh. You both are working together after Bluffmaster together. So how was it getting back together?
How is it getting back together, D? We keep in touch. So
पर फिर भी कब के बिछड़े यहाँ अब यहाँ हम आके मिले हैं.
it was great.
It was great.
What was nice is, even with say Baman or Akshay or Ritesh, we've all worked together. So, I think it's like riding a bicycle. Once you've already worked with somebody, you just pick it up from where you've left off. So it was, I'm very happy I got the opportunity. Not only with Ritesh, but with Akshay, Baman and all these beautiful ladies. So it was great. I think we picked up where we left off, no D?
Absolutely. I think it was a wonderful experience. I was actually waiting to work with Abhishek for a very long time. And when I remember one day when Sergeant Nadyadwala called me up and said, we've already spoken to Abhishek, I was really happy and excited that we're going to have a great bunch together. And Bomzi and Akshay and all the girls, Jaguda, we had a great time. And Chunky, of course, who can...
Mamma mia, thank God you remember.
फरहाद भाई ये सवाल मेरा जग्गू दादा से. जग्गू दादा, अगर आप डायस पे जितने भी एक्टर्स हैं, अगर आप उनके बारे में अगर एक एक लाइन बोलें, क्योंकि आपके अंदाज में बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. अगर आप अभिषेक से शुरू करके अगर
I just have a question for Jackie afterwards. No.
Yep.
I just want to ask her which Jackie.
जग्गू दादा, दादा अगर आप
क्या बोलूं?
आप लेफ्ट से शुरू करके आखिर तक अगर एक्टर्स के बारे में एक एक लाइन या दो लाइन अगर आप
तू क्या काम धंधा नहीं कर
दादा आपको सुनना है इसलिए
ऊंचा क्या बोलूं भाई. मैं पहली बार मैं जब स्टार ऐसा लगा मेरे बन गया है जब बच्चा था. अभिषेक और सिस्टर दोनों मेरे रूम में आए थे. बच्चन साहब मद्रास चेन्नई में कोरोमंडल ताज. मैं कुछ शूटिंग कर रहा था, मेरा जवाब की, और बच्चन साहब ऊपर रह रहे थे और उन्होंने दो बच्चों को भेजा. तो कोई वहाँ के कैप्टन आके बोले कि दो बच्चे आए आपका ऑटोग्राफ. कौन है? बोले बच्चन साहब का बेटा है. तभी जाके समझ में आया कि अरे यार कुछ बन गया, मैं बच्चन साहब का बेटा.
He's the first person whose autograph I've ever taken in my life. After Hero, I remember.
So sweet.
We were so excited. I was very young, and we were big fans of Jaggu Dada. We used to all wear that bandana. दाढ़ी तो थी नहीं, but we used to take all these drumsticks and try and play the flute.
But they were sweetest kids. इतने छोटे दोनों बच्चे थे.
अभी बड़े हो गए दादा.
अभी भी बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं. दाढ़ी दिख रहा है लविंदा देवी पे. मगर I think he's one of the finest. I really like him hell of a lot. He's a great kid. Absence of malice. That is what I like about him. कि किसी के बारे में उल्टा सीधा नहीं, अपना ये जो है वो देख के निकल लेता है और काम बराबर. और काम जब करता है तो सब देखते रह जाते हैं. I worked with him in a lot of films. I like him hell of a lot. And well, my Nargis ji. Oh man, yeah, she's lovely. I'm not interacted much, but क्या बोलूँ इनके बारे में. वो खूबसूरत है और बहुत अच्छा काम करती है. हालांकि लैंग्वेज मेरी तरह है, हिंदी बराबर नहीं, इंग्लिश बराबर नहीं, गुजराती बराबर नहीं, मगर बहुत ऊंचा है. मगर जब भी बोलते हैं तो नो शी हैज़ द एक्सप्रेशंस. हाँ है नो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ भी नहीं रहा बोलता हूँ, मगर बहुत खूबसूरत की. हाँ जो भी है प्रेजेंस बहुत भारी है, क्योंकि इन लोगों के सामने टिकना मतलब बहुत ऊंचा बात है. दे मेकिंग अ फैंटास्टिक कपल. And this one, she is absolutely oomph. We've seen the dance. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बराबर बोल रहा हूँ ना भिड़ू कि साजिद. हाँ नहीं, क्योंकि तुम लोग का प्लानिंग चल रहा है दोनों का कि कितना गोली देगा अभी. अब मेरे हाथ में दे ही दिया है तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये चलते रहेगा, शाम हो जाएंगी, बाकी लोग से पूछे तो बेटर है. मगर I think she has done a fantastic job. We saw the song. I think एकदम है, खूबसूरत है. क्या बोलूँ?
ये भी जैकी है.
ब्रदर्स में भी काम किया, बागी में भी कर रहा है, बाबा के साथ भी कर रहा है. ऊंचा कलाकार है. मतलब इतना छोटा सा ब्रदर में एक छोटा सा सीन देखा था बाबा का, इनके साथ कर रहा था. I told you, I think you were fantastic. You're a fabulous actor, a great dancer, and a super looking girl. Fabulous. बाकी ये शाना तो अब क्या बोलूं. इतना बदमाश है, महा बदमाश है. कावड़िया नंबर 1 और 2 चश्मे की बात. They are fabulous in the film. They are superb in the film. I think I used to laugh a lot like this when Chichi Baba was there. Govinda used to do films. These guys are fantastic actors. Where they are serious, they are bloody serious. He's done a villain's job. Super. And you, यार तेरा airlift और तेरे बाकी के भी तेरे रुस्तम भी आ रहे हैं. ये सब बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. These boys are fantastic. They are talented lot. They are solid lot. I think we have a great team out here. We have great guys. And Bowman Baba तो माँ की आंखें यार. He's the spine of the film. He's fantastic. I think I really like you hell of a lot as an actor, my brother, and the directors. ये दोनों जो आपको मैंने पहले आते बता दिया कि किधर मिला था और आज माशाल्लाह दोनों जन संभाल लिया. समझा बिड़ू. बाकी ये मिठुन दा के बारे में बात करना चाह रहा. मिठुन दा अनफॉर्चुनेटली है नहीं, मगर मेरा जान है वो. एक खूबी भालो इंसान है. बाकी ये जो है बिड़ू, ये मेरे टाइगर को भी लाया, खंबा की तरह खड़ा कर दिया है. ये दूसरा पिक्चर भी दिया है. I think Sajid is a great guy. He's a wonderful producer, always smiling and has done a super job, not just with us. I mean, बहुत सारी पिक्चरें बनाया बाबा ने. चंकी का क्या हो तो वो जब भी आता है कुछ खा के ही जाता है. क्या नहीं क्या खा के जाता वालों ने मतलब सिंह खा के जाता है. He's brilliant. बाकी समझिए अभी मेरे बारे में ज़्यादा बोलेंगे तो पक जाएंगे. Thank you so much.
That was awesome.
My question to the
Jackie, how was your experience working in Houseful?
You haven't spoken.
my question to the director and the producer.
Lisa had a question, but just a second. Yeah.
I just want to know what Jackie's experience of working in Houseful was. Seeing as it's your third time.
Thank you, Lisa. No, I can't, like, seriously.
Just talk about yourself. How do you feel doing what you did?
Just talk about me and Nargis.
Of course. But, I mean, this was a very special one for me because in Houseful 1, I was there doing Dhanno. And then I was cast in Houseful 2, and like that was, I was, shut up, actually. And then I was there in Houseful 2, and that was like a huge thing for me. And now
No, that's not fair. No.
No, this is what always happens. But he does this in the scene as well, by the way. So it's as much as it's amazing working with Akshay, and you learn so much because of his comic timing, it's also very painful. But yeah, now being part of Houseful 3, I mean, just to be there from the beginning of the franchise and to see it grow and, you know, to see, like, you know, the addition of, like, different cast members and stuff. It's just been such an amazing ride, and to work with, like, two fantastic directors who really guided us through. I mean, you know, with the girls as well, we're pretty new to comedy, I think, and but, like, we had such a great time doing, you know, comedy because we were under your great guidance, and we were, you know, acting alongside such amazing actors who know comedy so well. So it really kind of boosted our confidence and, you know, helped us. So thank you, you know, to Houseful 3, and yeah, thank you, Akshay.
My question.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much for being patient, and हम लोग की सबकी बातें सुनी आप लोगों ने. अगली बार कोशिश करके हम इतनी बातें नहीं करेंगे. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का. I hope you guys have enjoyed this evening. Thank you very much again. Bye.